Well, hello, it's demonstration time. Let's go ahead and get started. We have labels that's going to indicate the front of the fixture. And the first one we're going to do is just a standard fixture. And remember, it's going to be a two-part process. You're going to set the box into the fixture, then you're going to press it down and make your folds. So we're just going to go ahead and grab our box. We're going to set it, press it in, make a couple of folds, and you have a completed box. So that's our regular standard fixture. We've got a couple of custom fixtures here, and what we're trying to accomplish is give you a good solid platform, 45-degree angle. We're going to go ahead and we've got a solid base and rubber feet on the bottom, so it's not going to go anywhere. Anyway, let's go ahead and take our box. You're going to put it in the fixture, you're going to load your product, and then you can go ahead and pre-break these scores. That's our first of the smaller two, and it's going to be the same on the larger one. Once again, we're giving you a good solid base. We've got reinforced pillars. We're giving you a good solid fixture. You go ahead and put your box in, load up your product, break your scores very easily, and load and go. Thank you very much.